Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the print function with the end argument. So we all know that the print function helps us to print a particular statement in your console or in your output on the screen. So in general, we all would have an idea that each print statement corresponds to output in a new line, but let's try it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply create three variable. Okay, let's say variable 1, variable 2 and variable 3. Now in variable 1 I'm going to write a particular sentence, my name is, and then I'm going to put in variable 2 Atul Anand, and in variable 3 I'm gonna say I live in India. Okay, now if I print these three variable 1, similarly if I copy this, paste 2 times, and then I'm going to put 2 variable 3, and if I run it, you will see that we are getting three different lines in which the variable 1 is getting printed first, then we have variable 2 which is Atul Anand, where I have saved it over here. Similarly for variable 3, I live in India. Okay, here we can observe that the use of each print statement displays the result in a new line. Hence, we have three lines printed in our output. But sometimes it is convenient to view the output in a single line where it is given as a several Python statement. So what if I want to print all of these three lines in a single line? Then how can I do it? So simply we can use the end statement in our print function to get all of these three lines to get printed in a single line. Okay, so I'm going to paste it over here, and then I'm going to put end equal to and a single quote. Within a single quote I'm just going to give a white space. Simply I'm going to copy this and put it over here. For third print statement I'm not going to give that. Now if I run this, you will see that you have first variable my name is dash, and then you have a white space over here Atul Anand, which is the value of my variable 2, then I live in India, which is the value of variable 3. Let's assume a scenario that we may need to perform some complex computation in our code and as well as print the multiple results into a single line of text when the entire calculation is finished. In such a scenario, we can utilize the end argument in our print statement to get all the multiple complex computation results into a single line, so that it will be easier for us to review everything. So in this program over here, we have used end argument in print statement or print function, and this end argument will cause the cursor to remain on the same line for the next text. Hence, all the statement or all the variable is printed in a same line. So this is how basically you can use end argument to print multiple statements into a single line. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.